Hello everyone, today we're going to be trying out Neon Genesis Evangelion Body Mist. This is something that I've wanted to try for a really long time, and for some reason it has finally taken me this long to do it. I got these from YesStyle. Each of them cost $13.74, making the grand total $41.22. I also had free premium standard shipping, whatever that means. So I placed my order on May 14th, which today is June 15th, so that was a month ago. It says that it allegedly ships out May 28th, but I never got an email about it. I don't know if it ended up just in my spam folder or what, but my package didn't come until June 4th. I mean, I don't really care. I mean, they're coming from Japan or something, so whatever. I opened the mailbox and there's a couple envelopes and such, but I see the package and I take it out and I immediately notice that it has like a really strong, fresh scent. And at first I'm like, ooh, that's kind of lovely. However, I have then noticed that the entire package was wet. On the one hand, I was terrified. On the other, I was just like, what the fuck happened? And unfortunately, one of the body mists had broken in shipment and therefore it leaked everywhere. I still have it to show you guys. I was gonna keep the original package as well, but I figured it was just too messy and not really worth it. If you guys can see, it's a huge hole, little cracks, another little crack. I have some spare plastic pieces. It's so sad. So I immediately contact YesStyle with photos, and the replacement body mist actually arrived yesterday, June 14th. Also, if you're interested, I do have an Asuka Langley cosplay tutorial on my channel. I will leave a link for that down in the description box for you to check out if you're interested, and if you haven't already. I haven't worn her since KatsuCon 2018, and bitch, I am feeling myself. I'm really considering taking her to Otakon. I also got a couple free gifts in my package. They gave me these something absolute vital fluid, Rose Absolute Vital Fluid, anti-aging and brightening, super brightening and anti-aging emulsion by the face and neck and massage gently until fully absorbed. So I guess it's like a moisturizer. That's cute. Also really cute is this beauty sponge, which I personally am very excited about and I appreciate. This is a very practical gift, so thank you for that. So it says Cosmic with Evangelion, two-way refreshment mist for body or clothes with your favorite scent. Also keep the official stickers on the bottom. We love an official merchandise. I think the brand behind this products is Career Beauty, which is like a Japanese beauty brand. That's my understanding of it. I do like the packaging. It's simple, very much like on brand. You know what I mean? Let's just get into it. So the first one I'm gonna try is Type R Aqua Citrus, aka the one that I've already had a slight preview. A fun fact about me that you didn't ask for is that I actually really love fans. I love collecting them and such. They're just, I don't know, something about them, I've always loved them. See, I'm glad it was this one that broke at least. It's sort of cucumber-esque. I don't know, maybe like a little grapefruit? You know, like it's bright and clean. What's funny is my boyfriend the other day told me that he actually like collects colognes and he's like really into fragrance and he like knows things, which I think is really cool and interesting, and like I never knew that before. But I just realized that he's probably gonna watch this video and be like, she don't know shit. This one is Type A Citrus. Doesn't it seem a bit repetitive? I don't know, maybe this one might be different. What kind of citrus? It's not citrus. What is this? This reminds me of soap. This reminds me of rose-scented soap. Bar soap. Like very sophisticated. I don't know why it says citrus. That can't be right. And last but not least, we have type 1, which is a fresh musk, which is kind of a weird description. I don't know. I don't really associate musk to have a freshness. Oh no, that's really musky. If you've ever tried white musk from the Body Shop, this is it. I don't know how to describe musk. It has a very distinct smell. Like it's a kind of smell, scent. Do you know what I'm saying? Powdery, I guess earthy, woodsy kind of smell. Musk is one of those things that you either love it or hate it. For what it's worth, they are nice fragrances, but they're definitely for like different preferences. I guess if I had to rank them from my favorite to least favorite, I'd probably say maybe type A would be taking the gold, just because out of all of them, this is the scent that I can kind of see myself using on like a daily basis. I think next up from that is type R. This is a little more, I guess, not juvenile, but I don't know. This just kind of reminds me of like being like 12 or 13 at Kohl's in the beauty section. You know what I mean? So that one gets the silver. And then last but not least, literally with the bronze, is type 1. I don't really think musk is for me, but you know, I think if you are a fan of musk, you're gonna love this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel, Tara for Your Wellness, for more videos like this and other fun things. And until next time, please take care and stay well.